Hello students, welcome to today's session. In this video, we will solve exercise 12.1 from chapter 12 factorization from new NCERT class 8. Make sure you have your notebooks ready. Let's start. Before solving the exercise, let's quickly revise what factorization means. Factorization means breaking down an algebraic expression into simpler terms written as a product of its factor. These factors may be numbers, algebraic variables, or algebraic expressions. For example, we can write factor of 10yz as 2 into 5 into y into z. Let's take another example. Here you can see that an expression is given where factors and terms are written here. Now let's begin with exercise 12.1. Here question number 1 of exercise 12.1 is find the common factors of the given terms. In part 1, we need to find out common factors of 12x and 36. So first we will find out all the factor of 12x, that will be 2 into 2 into 3 into x. Now we need to find out factor of 36, that will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. You can find the factors by using prime factorization method also. Therefore, common factors will be, here you can see that what is common in these two. So 2 is common, we can write it as 2 into another 2 is common, we can write it as 2, again we can write it as 3. So now we have to multiply all these 3, 2 into 2 into 3, that will be 12. Okay, so answer is 12. Part 2 is 2y 22 xy. Here we need to find out the common factor. So we will find out factor of 2y, that will be 2 into y. Then factor of 22 xy, that will be 2. We can write it as 2 into 11 into x into y. Therefore, common factors of 2y and 22 xy will be 2 is common here, so we can write it as 2. Then y is common, so we can write it as y. So answer is part 3. We need to find out common factor of 14 pq and 28 p square q square. Here first we will find out factors of 14 pq, that will be 2 into 7 into p into q. Then factor of 28 will be 2 into 2 into 7 into p into q into q. Therefore, common factors will be, here you can see that 2 is common and 7 is common and 1p and 1q is common. So we can write it as 2 into 7 into p into q. So answer will be 2 7s are 14, 14 pq. In part 4, you can see that we need to find out the common factor of these three terms, 2x, 3x square and 4. So first we will find the factor of 2x, that will be 2 into x. Then factor of 3x square is 3 into x into x. Factor of 4 is 2 into 2. Therefore, common factor, you can see that nothing is common in these three. So if nothing is common, so we can say that common factor will be 1, because 1 is the factor of all the terms. In part 5th also there are 3 terms given. So we need to find out the common factor of these 3 terms. First term is 6abc, second term is 24ab square and third term is 12a square b. So let's find factor of these 3 terms one by one. The factor of 6abc is equal to 2 into 3 into a into b into c. Factors of 24ab square is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into a into b into b. Factor of 12a square b is 2 into 2 into 3 into a into b. Therefore, common factor of these 3 terms will be, you can see that 2 is common here in these 3 terms, so we can write it as 2. Then 3 is common, so 2 into 3. A is also common, a into b is common. So common factor of these 3 terms will be 6ab. In part 6, we need to find out common factor of 16x cube minus 4x square 32x. So first we will find the factor of 16x cube, that will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times 2 into x into x into x, 3 times x. Then next term is minus 4x square. So minus 4 is given, so we can write it as minus 1 into 2 into 2 into x into x. So third term is 32x. So factor of 32x is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 5 times 2 into x. So therefore common factor will be, here you can see that 2 is common, another 2 is also common, so we can write it as 2 into 2 into x. That's it, 4 into x. In part 7, 10pq, 20qr and 30rp, these three terms are given. So first we will find the factor of 10pq, that will be 2 into 5 into p into q. Then find the factor of 20qr. Factor of 20qr will be 2 into 2 into 5 into q into r. Factor of 30rp is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into r into p. Therefore common factor of these three terms will be 2 is common in these three and 5 is common, so answer will be 2 into 5, that is 10. In part 8, we need to find the common factor of these three terms. First term is 3x square y cube, second term is 10x cube y square, third term is 6x square y square z. So let's find the factors of these three terms one by one. Factor of 3x square y cube is equal to 3 into x into x into y into y into y. Factors of 10x cube y square is equal to 2 into 5 into x into x into x into y into y. Factor of 6x square y square z is equal to 2 into 3 into x into x into y into y into z. Here you can see that numerals value is not common here. So common factor is equal to x is common. So we can write it as x into x, and 2y is common, y into y. So we can write it as y into y, x square, y square.